Okay, so here we are. We're at my baby. Tonight is the night that I take ownership of this puppy here. Now, I've been waiting here for probably a couple of years for them to drop the price on this. And Home Depot just won't put this thing on sale. So you know what we're doing tonight? I'm putting it on sale myself. Because I have here a Home Depot 15% off coupon. So we're going to see if this one works tonight. And if this one doesn't work, then we have another one here that's $20 off of a $200 or more purchase. And if that one doesn't work, then the Home Depot here accepts a Lowe's coupon, competitor's coupon, for 10% off. So either way, one of these three is going to work for us tonight. So let's see which one works. I have to put it up here. And check this out, folks. We got the very last one. I left Home Depot here with a big empty space here. It's like pulling a tooth.
Receiving, please call 453. Receiving, 453.
Yeah, it's hard to believe we just saved $121 off of this miter saw. Flexvolt, baby. That's how I've seen it with a lot of builders do it. They just shoot them right in, and the next thing you know, you got pop-outs. Oh, I wanted to show you guys something. Most of you guys that have been following along with me for the last several months here. Ooh, you see anything missing here? I left this gaping hole right here in Home Depot the other day, and they still haven't filled it yet. That's right, folks. I came in here, and I plunked down the money, and I bought this wonderful miter saw here. This is the Flexvolt. This is the one that runs off the 2 batteries, or you can plug it in if you want to plug it in. If you want to be old school, if you want to suffer with cords and stuff. So anything, I've been watching this price for like 2 years, and they haven't lowered the price. So you know what I did, guys? I lowered it myself. I came in here with my daughter last weekend. We used one of our Lowe's cards, but then we also had a Home Depot 15 off coupon, and we used that one too. So we got 15% off of this. We saved $121 off the price of this thing. I put it on sale myself. Gave myself a nice 15% discount, and I left a nice big cavity there, and they still haven't stocked it back up yet. So I am one happy camper. We're going to be doing a review on that, and hopefully in the next couple of weeks. I've just got so many things on our platter right now that we have to review. So many tools that I bought. That's my problem. I keep coming in here. Every time I come in here, I walk out with something. So anyway, here's some Makita. I don't know. I don't think I put it live or not. But anyway, we bought this saw in here 2 weeks ago, and I left a gaping hole right here in Home Depot. And just like 3 days ago, they finally got this thing stocked in. And it was 2 weeks ago that we bought this thing. So I'm going to be doing a review of this thing. And if you'll see on there, like for 2 years I've been waiting, and they haven't dropped the price. So I found a 15% off Home Depot coupon and brought it in here, and I got this sucker for 120 bucks cheaper. Let's see, is this the one? Yeah, so this one will run off the Flexvolt batteries or the plug-in. But let me warn you something about, they don't stock it here, and none of the Home Depots in my area stock it. So here you have the DeWalt table saw. They have the Flexvolt version of the table saw. That Flexvolt version, for whatever stupid reason, folks, doesn't plug into the wall. It's only battery. So I don't know how they can call it Flexvolt, because to me, well, I know Flexvolt really means 20 or the 60 volt batteries, but they really should have designed that other table saw to be able to plug in to the wall. All right, so here's what they got here.